Hello students, welcome to Reader's Workshop. In Reader's Workshop, we've been working on being word detectives to notice common word endings and to think about how we pronounce them and how they change the words we are reading. Before we go on to our next word endings, I want to talk to you about two different kinds of words. So, one kind of word is a noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing. So, there's a boy, there's a ball, there's a map, there's some school supplies connecting with math, like a pencil, a ruler, a calculator, scissors, a notebook. There's a cat, there's a fish, there's some broccoli, a carrot, a pear, a sandwich, an apple. These are all a person, a place, like somewhere in the United States, or things. And words that are a person, place, or thing are called nouns. The kind of word that we're going to be working with a lot today is a verb. A verb is an action or happening word, like standing upside down, climbing, walking, waving. So when people do actions, the words we use to describe the actions are verbs. But it also can be something happening, like it's raining, and here's some ice melting. Okay, so a verb is an action or happening word. And I wanted you to think about that as we go on to our next word ending. So we talked about ed ending. And the funny thing with ed was how it can sound so many different ways, like t, id, and d, right? Then we talked about s and es ending. Now, it could also sound like s and z and is, all different ways. Today, we're going to zoom in to talk about er ending. Er ending, well, er ending is kind of easy because er ending always sounds the same, unlike the other endings we've been learning about. And er turns an action word, like a verb, into a person or animal who does the action. Okay, so when you add er to a verb, it turns the action word into the person or animal who does the action. And we're going to notice that as we continue reading our book about lions. So right now, let's use all of our skills, all of the things we've been learning about endings to read lions. Let's get back to lions. Okay, there's lions. Let's see, where were we? What am I? Big cats lying around. Oh, that was about resting. I think we are up to super hunters. Let's see. Oh, there's that kind of riddle starting it. Big cats. Oh, this was where we learned about manes, how males have manes and females do not. Ooh, this was lying around about how they nap a lot, they sleep a lot. Ooh, and this also had neat things like a map and some special keywords that it was teaching you. Ooh, this is where we are now. If I try to look all around the page to learn something before I start, I see this must be about a big group of lions, maybe the family group. Oh, here I see maybe a young cub playing with somebody. And here they're drinking some water. Ooh, I wonder if they're looking at those ducks and thinking that might be tasty. Let's read. Lions, ooh, there's S ending making Z sound. Lions live in a family group called, ooh, ed ending, called a pride. A pride can be as large as 40 lions. Ooh, there's S ending. The pride rests, plays, and hunts together. Wow, look at all those S endings. Rests, making S sound, plays, Z sound, and back to S. And these are all action words too, right? Rest, play, hunt, right? So it's describing all the actions that the pride does together. Oh, and here's a little quiz. Let's see. Remember, these are the riddles. What happens when you cross a lion with a snowman? What do you get? Frostbite. Oh, that's a funny joke. Let's turn the page. Oh, wow. Here is a diagram showing all the body parts of the lion. Ears, eyes, tongue, teeth, claws, tail, and legs. Okay, and this is called super hunters. Ooh, S ending. Lions, oh, there, are meat eaters. Oh, here we go. This is our first ER ending of the day, right? ER. Okay, and remember, ER turns an action word into an animal who does it. So, lions are meat eaters. Eat, eaters. They eat other animals or prey. A lion's body is built for hunting. Ooh, there's ing ending. Main word. Oh, here's a key word. Prey. An animal that is eaten by another animal. Let's go ahead and read the labels or captions of the diagram. Ears. They can hear prey more than a mile away. Eyes. Lions see well in the dark. They can easily spot prey at night. Tongue. A super rough tongue pulls meat off a bone. Teeth. Sharp teeth cut meat. Claws. Sharp claws grab prey and hold on. Tail. A long tail helps a lion balance as it runs and turns. Oh, there's action words with S ending. Legs. Strong muscles help a lion run, crouch, and pounce. Wow. Also lots of action words here as they describe the way the lion's body parts help with all the actions that the lion does to live and survive. Okay, we're going to stop there for today, but I want to remind you that today, when you go to your reading, pay attention to ER ending. Can you notice, well, it always sounds the same, so that's the easy part, but notice how it's turning an action word or a verb into a person or animal who does the action. Off to your reading.